It's actually not clear how you would die, but I think generally speaking, having an uncontrolled growth of something in your bloodstream generally leads to death. I think in a mere bacteria scenario, the forests are going to be getting destroyed. They're going to be dying animals, cities getting destroyed. It's not going to be subtle. Many molecules on Earth can exist in one of two forms, a left-handed version and a right-handed version. And these two molecules are identical if you put them in a mirror. So a lot of scientists were thinking, wouldn't it be interesting if we could create like a whole mirror image organism? The NSF even funded about a $4 million grant to look into this. But there's a major problem with this. If you flip that molecule to the mirror image version, your immune system is not going to be able to detect or break down those molecules. If this bacteria were to get into your lungs or get into your bloodstream, this would not just potentially infect and kill humans, it would potentially infect and kill many, many species of animals, possibly even species of plants. This would be a lot less like a human-to-human pandemic, but it would be something that is persisting in the soil. If there's a tree that's infected outside of your house and the wind blows in, then that would potentially infect you. So it would be much more akin to living without an immune system. And people that have genetic diseases, that have certain receptors broken, typically die in childhood. It's like a very, very nasty disease. And this would be like the whole world ending up in that situation.
We'd have to basically coat the entire Earth in antibiotics in order to stop it growing through all of the plants and animals.
Yes. Even if we were to pivot 100% of US antibiotic production, we'd only be able to cover maybe about 10% of the US population. So just the scaling of this would be quite grim. And this puts us in a very precarious situation because then if the power plant gets cut or the antibiotic production facility goes out, then it's game over. We should not be building mere bacteria.
What's being done to make sure that no one ever makes that damn thing?
Most of the scientists that used to think that they wanted to build mere bacteria because it was interesting to them, they've really been leading the way in setting a norm and setting a taboo that this is not something that we should be doing.
How would we end up with mere bacteria?
There have been some terrorist organizations with relatively large biological weapons budgets.
I guess North Korea would be another possibility.
Maybe, I mean, it's quite a wild thing. You'd be developing a weapon that would be killing the political leadership of your own country. So that's, yeah, cheery topic. I laugh about it all the time, too.